Here is lesson 45 for clarinet. We will play numbers 105 and 106. You've already looked at the top of your page to figure out what those extra words at the top mean, the fine and DC al fine. Excuse me. First of all, you know that fine means end. It is French for end. De capo al fine. It means when you reach the end, for the instance, the end of 105, it says DC al fine. That stands for de capo al fine. Excuse me. You'll go back to the beginning, de capo, the top, and you'll play to the fine. So, here's how this works. We start at 105. We play the first four measures. There's a repeat sign, right? Okay, so you got to repeat back to the beginning, play that beginning again, and then you'll go past the repeat sign all the way to the end. Then you'll take that DC, and you'll go back to the beginning. And then you'll stop the fine. So the first four measures, how many times do we play those? Think it through. If you said 3, you've got it correct. Let me show you why. Alright, we start right here at the beginning of the piece. We play through here, there's a repeat sign, got to go back. Play it again, and this time we'll go through the repeat sign, we'll go all the way there, get to the end, there's a DC, got to go back to the beginning. This is the third time we're playing through now, and then you stop at that fine. So really, instead of 8 measures, this piece is 16 measures long because we repeat those 4 measures 3 times. Alright, here we go, let's play it. 1, 2, ready. And there's the song. It's all 16 measures. Alright, if you kept up, good. If not, hey, go back and do it again. By now, you should be able to skip most of these breath marks. If not, that's something you need to be practicing on. You need to do more long tones. Before we get to 106, let's talk about our code phrase. Our code phrase is, at the top of your page, DC al fine. You can write de capo al fine if you'd like, but what is in parentheses is how you'll see it in music. So I prefer that you will write down for your code phrase, DC al fine. Alright, going on to 106 for clarinets only. You've already looked through this, you've practiced this, you realize we have alternate F sharps that we need. You know your alternate F sharp fingering, so I don't need to show you that. However, at this point, you should start recognizing when you need to do your B flat and then that B natural, the alternate B natural, instead of that. Same with the F. When you have F going to F sharp, you should be able to tell when you can do that or when you have F going to that F sharp. You should know which alternate fingering you should need for a piece because we've talked about why we need those fingerings. Alright, here we go, 106. You've already looked at your key signature and your dynamics, so let's do it. And 1, 2, ready. I don't know if you could see my fingerings when I played, but I used both F sharps. If you want to get used to it, you can do the alternate F sharp for all of your F sharps. That works. But as I just demonstrated, you can do both. Alright, that was lesson 45. Thanks for joining me.